We got Max Narro here. He's fixing to cook us something good. What are you gonna cook? A lunchable? Oh my goodness. Let's see.
I didn't want a G pizza. Pepperoni. Like that. That's okay. Stop. Oh.
Max.
What?
What is that?
Show Daddy what this is.
Is that the dough or what? Ooh, pepperonis.
And take the sauce out. Ooh. I got a tin.
For a roll up?
Yeah.
Does that go on the pizza?
No.
Oh, he's gonna open the sauce.
I need a spoon to rub it in.
Oh, he's squeezing the sauce on. A spoon he got out of his back pocket.
Hey.
I think it needs a little more sauce.
I don't.
Oh, we didn't see that. Two little eyes. A little bit of cheese. A little bit of mozzarella cheese.
Can you put this in the oven?
I did 15 years.
And then it goes to the oven. In the microwave.
Now what do I push? One? Yeah. I'm gonna wait for it.
We just hope it doesn't explode.
Not like kaboom! And
After being in the microwave for 15 seconds, there it is. It's ready to eat.
Daddy,
Oh, it's hot! Silly Billy!
with lip.
He burned his cell. How is it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Excellent. Oh, you're such a good cook, Max.